Hello everyone. My name is Salem. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be talking about the GBP card. You understand? Please, I'll urge you guys to please like, comment, share, and don't forget to smash the like button, please. Also, just leave a comment on the comment section below, because it really does support the creation of more videos. If you have any pair you want me to analyze for you, you can also leave it on the comment section. If I see it, I will be making a video on that pair for you guys. You understand? Thank you very much. I'm really grateful. So we are here on GBPCAD on the monthly time frame. Remember when I analyzed AUDNZD for you guys, I talked about its potential move to the upside. I started from the monthly time frame with AUDNZD. The monthly time frame was quite bullish. The weekly time frame was also bullish, and the daily time frame was also bullish, which made the market to provide a move to the upside. So let's go and check AUDNZD out, because this was a market I analyzed yesterday. And as we can see from the daily perspective, this market is already making a very nice move to the upside. And as you can see, my students are already on profit, because the market has provided exactly the move we wanted it to provide for us. You understand? So going back to GBPCAD, I will link the AUDNZD analysis. I will provide the link in the description so you can go and check it out. You understand? So GBPCAD, let's talk about GBPCAD. Let's start from our monthly perspective. Let's see what the monthly time frame is saying. Before you analyze the market, always make sure you analyze from your monthly time frame going down to your weekly and also your daily. Those show the direction of the market. Understand? As we can see here, we can see that our GBPCAD is on a huge resistance level right now. As you can see, if you check this from this move, or this move started from this point. As you can see, the market got to this point, provide a move to the downside, went up, broke above it, broke below, and went and retest with this bullish candle here and provided a move to the downside. The market also went up, retested this level of resistance, came downwards, went upwards again, retest that same level of resistance. Now, what am I saying? This is to tell you that this level of resistance is a very strong one. This market has a very strong resistance level. This is to say any market that gets to that resistance level is prone to providing a move to the downside because of its strength. It has a very strong strength. As you can see, we have plenty touches on this resistance level. As we can count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You understand? So as you can see right here, what the market is actually doing, we can see that this market has provided a W chart pattern. If I'm not mistaken, this is a W chart pattern. And when we see a W chart pattern, we want the market to provide a move to the neckline, to go and retest the neckline before providing a move to the upside. So if we can use our Fibonacci to measure where this market is meant to retest, we can see that we expect the market to retest the 38.2 level of the Fibonacci taking. Why? Because it matches with the previous support. You understand? It matches with the previous support. As we can see, this is it. So we expect this market to provide a move to the downside. You understand? On the monthly time frame, as we can see, the market is bearish for now. The market will provide a move to the downside to make a retest on the neckline before providing a move to the downside. If and only if it's going to make that retest, because the forex market is really risky. You do not predict the forex markets, you just follow the market. You understand? but it might decide to break the neckline. Well, this is from my own opinion. You can see what the market is doing. The market is trying to make a retest on this level before providing a move to the upside. You understand? So now currently this market is bearish because it's moving downwards to retest the neckline of this pair on the monthly time frame. So that's that. So let's move to our weekly time frame. Let's see what we have on the weekly time frame. Yeah, now we have a very nice market structure on the weekly time frame. Very nice market structure on the weekly time frame. Now what do we see? You can see that this market right here had a very nice trend over here. As I can see a very nice trend here. Are you seeing? It's a very nice trend. And what do you observe? This market has broken this trend. It all started this movement from this side. When it formed the W, it came and retested the neckline, provided the move to the upside, came down here, which now actually formed a series of supports. We have 1, 2, 3. We have about 3 touches on this particular support here, which made me to draw this trend line. Understand? As we can see currently, it has broken this particular level of support, and we're expecting this market to provide a move all the way to the downside. Expect this market to provide a move to the downside because why? It has broken this level of support. So we expect this market to provide a move to the downside. You understand? So what do you observe? The monthly is currently bearish, and also the weekly is bearish. Both the monthly and the weekly are trying to provide a move to the downside. Now let's go and see the daily time frame to check what the daily time frame is saying. Yes, this is our daily time frame. Wow, we have a very nice market structure on the daily time frame. As we can see, the market formed a nice M and provided all this move to the downside. As you can see, the market broke this level of support till it came to the next level of support. So now, and the market currently now is trying to make a retest. Understand? So now we want to check if this retest made by this market is a very correct retest. Remember, if we are expecting the market to make a retest, we expect the market to retest the previous supports, and that previous support or resistance must match with a Fibonacci level. Understand? So if we take our Fibonacci from the low to the high, understand, from the low to the high, to see where this market is meant to retest. As we can see, this market retested the 61.8 level of the Fibonacci right here. Understand? The market retested the 61.8 level of the Fibonacci, matching up with this previous resistance over here. So right now we expect this market to provide a move to the downside. So as we can see, both the monthly and the weekly time frame and also the daily time frame is quite bearish. So on the monthly time frame, you remember we had a nice W, and the market is trying to make a retest to the neckline. On the weekly time frame, we had a trend line over here, a nice trend line that connected at least 3 supports, which broke, and now we expect the market to still provide a continuation to the downside. So going down to the daily also, we expect the market to retest the 61.8 level of the Fibonacci taking, of which it has retested, and now we expect the market to provide a move to the downside. So the monthly, the weekly, and the daily seems quite bearish. You understand? So with my students, we'll be monitoring these markets. If and only if this market provides us one of our value strategies, we are going to engage on this market for a nice sell and also for a nice risk to reward ratio. Thank you for giving me a listening ears. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Also, I also want you to please like the video, comment, and share. If you want me to cover any pair for you, to analyze any pair for you, you can leave that pair on the comment section, and I'll make a video analyzing that pair for you. You understand? Thank you very much. Now, what I just shared, let me just give you a brief disclamation. What I just shared now is of my own opinion. The forex market is very risky. You have to be careful. The market might decide to move up and break this particular level of resistance. You understand? I only made this video because it has given me what I wanted. It's of my own opinion. You understand? And so we are expecting this market to still give us to provide us one of our valid means of entry. So it's of my own opinion. You understand? Please and please, forex is risky. You can only use the capital you want to lose to trade the forex market. You understand? And at the same time, it's also risky, and at the same time, it's profitable. You understand? So I just want you to like this video, comment, and share, because it really does support the creation of more videos. If you have any pair that is difficult for you, I can make an analysis for that pair for you. Understand? Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I appreciate. God bless you.